Let's crochet tulips. It's a combination. We are going to crochet the body part. I'll do it with the purple line. Start by winding the thread onto the little thumb. To the index finger, make a loop on your middle finger. Hold the thread with your thumb. Use a double crochet hook. This is the thicker end. The crochet needle is threaded through the loop from which the coil on the middle finger. Hook has the ending pin through the loop of the needle. Turn the wire around. To hook over the coil of a crochet hook. That's the ending pin. We have to hook 6 short pins. Crochet through the loop. Hook the line here. Winding. Hook the 2 coils of the crochet hook together so that's a short needle. Hang the marking buckle at this position of the first stitch. Such a V is a needle order. Continue to hook the second crochet needle through the loop. Hook the line here. Wind the wire and hook it through both coils. This is the second stitch. Continue to through the loop of the needle. Cancel the winding wire is hooked together. Send the needle. Cross, cross, cross. Winding. Altogether 4 stitches. 5 needles. 6 the needle. It'll be up in 6 Take stitches. The coil off. Give this thread a good tug. Pull the coil out. This stitch in the mark buckle. Hook a short needle. Remove the marking buckle. The first stitch through the mark buckle. Hook the thread over. Wind the wire and hook both coils together. It's the first stitch of the second round. Attach a marking buckle to this stitch. 6 extra pins in the second circle. To add a needle is to hook 2 short needles into each thread. A short needle has been hooked hook just another now. Short needle in the same needle. Crochet through the loop. Hook the thread over. Wind the wire and hook both coils together. This is a plus needle. Hook 2 short needles into the second needle. 2. So that's 2 short needles. The next needle will also hook 2 short needles. Continue the second lap. The end of the hook is 12 short needles. The second circle is completed and then the third circle. Remove the marking buckle. The third circle is a short needle and an extra needle. Repeat 6 loops. Hook a short needle into the first needle. Also hang the marking buckle on the first stitch. Hook a short needle into the next needle. Through the needle eye. Cancel the. Add the needle. It is to hook 2 short needles into the same needle head. Continue with a short stitch. A needle. A short needle. A needle. Short needle. Add the needle. Short needle. Add the needle. Short needle. Add the needle. The third circle is hooked. Remove the marker buckle and hook the fourth circle. The fourth circle is 2 short needles, 1 pleasant needle. Hook 6 loops. A short needle. 2 short needles. A needle. A short needle. 2 short needles. A needle. Short needle. Short needle. Add the needle. Short needle. Short needle. Add the needle. Short needle. Short needle. Add the needle. And finally, short needles. Short needle. Add the needle. Is hooked on the fourth lap. From laps 5 to 12, there are no more or less ticks. There are 24 needles in each turn. Just keep ticking like this. Go to the 12th circle. This way, come on, let's count the winning number. Once 2 times, 3 4 times, 5 6 times, 7 8 times, 9 10 times, 11 12 circles, exactly 12 turns. Let's stretch the coil a little bit. Bolt. Pull the thread out of the loop. Put on the suture needle. This is where we're gonna go in. A stitch in front of it. Go in and go back in. The thread comes out of the needle and goes in. Pull the wire a little tighter. Average the scores by the number of needles. It starts with this stitch that we threaded out. 2 4 6 count the 6 stitches through the key stitch. Same thing over here. The stitch that came out of the thread. That should do it. Add padded cotton. And you can put it together. Let's assemble the tulip. Take out the wire. Fold the wire in half. Just take half of it. After folding it in half, cut it with scissors or pliers. This is the half that's already cut. Let's just use this half. Bending the head first. Bend the upper point. And then bend it to give it a loop like this. Bend into a bend like this. It is okay. And then we take this wire from hook the middle of the turmeric box to wear out. It comes out like because this. We bent a loop. He's not gonna pull it out like this. Fill with padded cotton. In. Just fill it up. After stuffing the cotton, we pull this thread. Pull hard to tighten it. Thread tension. Put on the suture needle. The line goes from here to here. The needle comes out here. Get him stitched up. Cut through the middle. Suture that. Adjust the shape. And then I'm going to end this extra line. Hide in the tulips. Through 2. Wear a few times. Come out of any position, and then I'm gonna go in from where I was. Bolt. A small tulip like this is basically fine. We take the green thread and the leaves. Leave the green thread about 5 centimeters. Put it with the flower pole. When it begins to twist, I'm going to wrap it around a little bit where I started. You can wrap it about 4 or 5 times. Keep winding it down evenly. Wrap it in place. You can add the leaves. Turn the front of the leaf toward the flower pole. Start by adding a leaf and wrapping it around. After going around, add another leaf. Leaves are opposite to leaves. Pull the thread a little tighter as you wrap it. Wrap it under the leaves. About a centimeter should be fine. Leave about 10 centimeters of thread and cut it. Tie knot. Hold the line with your middle finger. Go around the pole like this. Point the line right here in the middle, through the inside of the coil, then tighten the wire. To make again, go all the way around and through the middle point. That should do it. Adjust the pole. Let it bend a little bit. Adjust the shape of the flowers. And that's it.